Hey, hello everyone, and welcome back to our usual chat that we have about the strategies in our portfolio that have performed the best recently. One of the coaches at Unger Academy here, and in this new video, we're going to be taking a look at two strategies that have been performing pretty well recently in the US equity index market. As always, before we begin though, I'd like to invite you to leave us a like, subscribe to our channel, and go and click on that notification bell so that you can stay up to date on all our new videos. Thanks so much. Alrighty, so let's start with the first strategy. It's a trend following strategy, just like the other strategy that we're going to be taking a look at today. It was developed for the NASDAQ market in a 15-minute time frame. Now, this is a strategy that tries to enter the NASDAQ market starting at 11 a.m. So that's 11 in the morning, Chicago exchange time. And that runs until 3:30 p.m. exchange time, so pretty near to the close of this market. The strategy will place long orders on the previous day's high, minus a factor of 10 points, while on the other hand, it will place short orders on the previous day's low, plus, in this case, a factor of 35 points. Now, the purpose of this is to try and somehow anticipate what could be the movement of the market. As you can see, this strategy has worked well in the last period, and it's continuing to do so also in 2023, where we saw these two take profits worth $3,000 each. The strategy was developed in 2018, so it's been out of sample for a few years now. But if we're going to take a look at the results over the last 365 trading days, we can say that the strategy continues to perform very well, both on the long and on the short sides. Now, we know that 2022 wasn't an easy year for this market, and so it's interesting to see a strategy like this that will still be able to benefit from the declines in the NASDAQ, which are these, indeed, very significant declines. And as I said, 2023 has also started very well, with two trades closed at a profit, and we hope that the strategy will continue to work that way for the rest of the year. All right, now let's just turn to the next strategy, which was developed for the S&P 500 market. This time we're using a 30-minute time frame, and as you can see in the chart, we're using pivot points here. And here they're displayed in different colors. And the ones we're interested in are the light blue and the blue lines. Of course, the pivot points include more levels, but this strategy will enter long on the break of a close above resistance level 1, which is this point, as I said. So let's say the light blue line. There we go. While instead, we'll enter short on the breach of a closing price below the level indicated by the darker blue line, which is support level 1. So this strategy is also based on a trend following approach, as I mentioned earlier. And indeed, if the market breaks the resistance to the upside, we're going to buy. And instead, if we break the support to the downside, we'll sell. The strategy includes both a take profit exit and a stop loss exit. The stop loss, that's set at $1,000, which corresponds to exactly 20 points in this market. And instead, the take profit is different for the long and the short sides. On the short side, we have $1,300, and on the long side, we have $1,800. Now, this is also a very old strategy, let's say, because it was developed in 2018, and it also performed pretty well in 2022. I remind you that these results are already net of commission fees and theoretical slippage that we could suffer from trading these markets. And 2023 is also quite good, even though it has just started, we know. We can see that there are already, there are only 4 trades here. However, it does have a 75% profitability rate, so 3 out of these 4 trades were closed at a profit for a total of $3,850. And so, of course, we hope that this strategy will continue to yield excellent profits for the rest of 2023. And even if we take a quick look at the equity line of the strategy, we can be quite happy with the start of 2023. Of course, yes, it's too early to celebrate, but the path that we've taken, it seems to be the right one. So go and try it out for yourself. These strategies are also pretty easy to code. All right, so if there's anyone among you who is interested in the world of systematic trading, I recommend that you go and click on the link in the description of this video. From there, you'll be able to watch a free presentation by Andrea Unger, or go and get our best-selling book by just covering the shipping costs, or even book a free consultation call with a member of our team. And if you enjoyed this video, please let us know by just simply leaving a like. And to stay updated on all our new videos, please subscribe to our channel and go and click on that bell. We really thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon in our next exciting video. Bye-bye for now.